Some men, why not be like that? Some of you now. Yes, so good afternoon, guys. Happy weekend once again. Today's Friday, is weekend things. Good afternoon, depending on where you are. Join me, invite people. Join and share the video, like this video. Thanks for joining me and thanks for inviting me. Yes, just a quick one, another very quick one again. So me on a day wanna be like that. I dey eat my steak meat too. So now my afternoon food. I'll be all if I eat one or two, I don't do okay. Because I want to eat small rice take topper. But my rice never done. I dey boil the rice. Now so yes, so quick one. Some men wanna be like that. Some men wanna they do like that and not a day. I just the paro small get why? Because I just enter so get what I dey do me, I just quick cook and do other things I dey kitchen. So I quick drop this one. The paro small because some men they get the way they take day and it's not good. And most of them not make everyone not vessel. Some of them not go make everyone at all. I not make everyone. I just enter so I just say, they come from somewhere, come enter bus safe. I just see meet person, a friend, we all consider talk. She all consider, we also they talk. So they talk now, they say now wow, now so then they do some of the men now so area was just say why now just come promise woman talk everyone ahead. I first make this video some days ago about men. Just that they are not confident remember everything. I still talk and for that video say baby me. I don't confident remember everything I want to talk because I can't they distracted somehow with my children and with the post will come. But the one I remember, so now I just quick drop and I need to drop and based on I even see person for side boss to because they talk, they talk her own problem. Now I say I don't ever do this kind of video before self. Some men will not make everyone. That my message to now some of them, not be all. There are hundreds, millions of good ones, but they still get millions of year one. Be like 50-50, 50 good, 50 not good, and so it be. Or 60 good, 49, 60 not good, 49 good. Some men, why not they do like that? I promise you, man, I will build heaven for scarf for you. I will do this one, I will give you money, I will give you that one, I will give you this one, I will give you this one. Just more we just day. Me we all day. Sorry for the little noise. Now train, I know I did be in a train from my area. You understand? More we just day. I go build heaven for scarf for you. I go there with you. I go marry you. We go do this. I go give you money. I will buy this one. I will buy motor for you. I will do different things. Now I can't deceive the woman or the girl. Make she grieve for her. If she don't come fall in love with all those una sweet talk, what is she talk, what una talk, all those things, you don't come fall in love, you don't come like una. She will come day with una your day. After I don't do the big course finish, what una promise? Why more boy, I'm going to I'm wicked. We ain't as do it. I know, the beginning don't escape me more, no verse. I get easy to say because you don't tell person say come on for us, all those kind of things. You understand? Or we are not winning and we carry rock by him more boy. Now we talk say the men we talk say yes, I promise you I will give you this one, I'll give you that. I they parody, they make me the verse. You they make me the verse because the woman they talk to me where she even drop the man consider they nearly even fight safe. Where she for come down at that same area me for still come down. Me see how they shout safe after she done the gist me feeling they come for road. When she come down, now that same point me once he come down. The next thing the man just show as with the waka they go. Don't even fight her, all those kind of things. Based on say the woman say, okay, give me my, since you promise me money, promise me this one, promise me that one, you're not going to give me. You get what I give me my thing, I beg me, you do your me, I do my own. Only that word now, quarrel one start, fight one come. Me, I deal with my children now, I don't feel yours, you know, good say, all these people come meet now, they fight, children, they there, not be good thing. You understand? Yeah, you're tired, I don't understand at all. Eh? I'm talking, baby boy, please, okay? Don't talk. I'm doing video. You understand, my people? Yes, go and take ice cream. I'm coming. You understand? I mean, me can't even dodge them based on say, hey, I don't feel your day there. Children, they are there with children. You understand? I need to just vanish, come out. That's why you say the sharp, they work out. Call it, bros, don't do this, I don't do. Why men, some men now promise, now you promise woman. That's how I go do, that's how I not go do. You not go give her the thing at the end. If you don't see Bekus finish, you just come they run, they hide yourself, or they do like say maybe nothing they happen. The worst is some go even come vow, can't do blood covenant, can't use Bible to swear, can't do 1 or 2 swear to take trust, and don't come worse pass. Because this lady tell me everything. Eh? Now that I call your words pass. When I want me to carry woman, the woman never agree. Not just they promise her. It's not good. Now that will be my message. You're gonna short one. I they cook. I your enter house. I they paro at the same time. I your the verse. I'm beside the verse for my people they wash, my lovely ones. I your the verse for some kind men we be say they know they behave well. If they don't make careful now, or maybe me down to assume down here banya, they cry there. Or they say, hey, what you do know your I mean see this one way your way enemy your die so hey. You know nothing what you use your mouth take promise or take do. Fine, promise day that they promise for people. Nobody is perfect. Sometimes me don't see promise person something I not come fulfill. For example, a lot of people, nobody will talk say don't promise person something at the end go fulfill and a lie. You don't make mistakes. Say okay, for example, I promise you to give you bread. At the end, I don't gonna give you the bread again because of one situation or the other. Or I promise you to even dash you one money, small money. At the end, the money where you expect not going to enter your hand, and you want to take dash person. You understand me? So when all of us don't make mistakes, say okay, you promise person something at the end, not be all of the your fee for fee. That one are normal, but not be still normal for one hand. But nobody they perfect for that one. Say never make that mistake. Wait till me they try to talk. That promise now still normal promise down. Your promise. You carry Bible they swear oath with woman, or you they do blood oath, blood covenant with woman, or you go they swear ayela and the rest, or juju with woman, or the name of say I love you, I want me to of us day. I promise you, I will give you money, I will give you this one, give you that one, I'll take care of you. Will your day, don't worry. At the end of the day, the woman come the ask of the money, not going give her the money. She will come the ask of the, for example, the motto where you promise you not going give her again. You go the ask of the money, not going give her. You go the ask of the bread, you not going give her. You go the ask of the even tissue paper where you promise her, you not going give her again because you don't already see the Bekus. You use that one to deceive her. Why may be like that on me? And the thing they you know good for you. A guy take day. You know, even still makes sense at the same time. You understand? I don't know what I want to hold this my phone because I don't leave my selfie stick for inside room. Yeah, they cook. I will put the thing down like that, even if you know they show anything. You know, me not the important. You understand? Based on what they talk now, you know they important. Maybe people just hear. So now I don't see ratio because I short one. It's not good. It don't make sense. It's very bad. Don't promise what you cannot do. Please, men, some of our men, don't do it. And some people come, no, okay, that person where you go, they promise, you know, like take day, that be the worst thing. Everybody know, you know, you're look, I get big, as in, not be the way you just look person, you look and say, we are shared, you just see and finish. No. Many people pass like that, so no reason no more. The truth is very bitter. Many people pass like that, eh? Some come from the pits of hell, eh? Why some are devil themselves, eh? Why some are confirm or banje themselves, eh? Why some women are still a lot of things, eh? A lot of things. The thing you they pay me, you they vex me. You know what me when you promise, eh? Ya mo wano, ya di moto no, ya rigo no, ya wono na, eh? Because you never see Bekus. But if you come see the Bekus, what you promise and you don't do again. Or the worst you go even promise say you go they promise say you go buy house, buy motor, buy bigger, give them big money because of Bekus. You know you're talking all your feet do. If now 1 naira you want give us okay now 1 naira I promise you to take help you for this your business. Talk what you will feed do. Nobody talk what you not feed do. Fine. Nobody force you. The worst thing again, they go young someone they take oaths because say they want make the person believe on. How you they take oaths because of Bekus? How you they take blood oaths because of Bekus? This time around 2021, eh? 2021, I will day so. Things they change. I don't understand. You go take blood oath because of Mekos. You go take your Bible. My Bible even come see worse pass. And you carry Bible from where you swear say no worry. I love you. Because the guy talk say, okay, promise me. Say you go to love me. Say you know break my heart. You say okay, I love you. I want to swear with this Bible, make for believe me. You should they swear with Bible. Or you should they swear with blood oath. Or you they swear with any other thing. You know good. You people should stop it. You know good. The people be like one kind of thing. If they never see and then they swear heaven and earth. Once they don't see and finish, it will be like say the charm or the thing where they go, where they say, I don't understand. Where the thing, it don't come up for their eye. The charm where the woman take cash and don't come up. Don't be say no charm. Because woman where you never do the fact that you know if you talk say no charm, it take cash you. It's not possible. You don't understand. Woman where you see where you never even touch, you never do the fact that you know if they talk, they tell people say no charm, na lie. Charm not get there. Lie. Even if you don't see do one, not be everybody they do all those kind of things. But when they talk, my point be say, don't promise what you cannot do. If you know that you cannot do it, just talk. Say I love you naturally. I don't get what I want to fire you, but I don't love you. If you agree, you agree for me. If you don't agree for me, chicken now. That's why it is. Because the thing they make me the parrot, they make me the verse. Why they parrot like this? I know what they talk. We they see many things like this. We don't see many things like this before. Secondly, that's when we just see again. Oh, we just talk today, my eye don't reach again. If someone say, you can't tell me, my eye still reach everything. When you can't come down, the man said they almost they fight and I will can't come out. Whether they still fight now, I only God can't know. But I have to run with my children. I have to dodge based on, you understand? Me and Balube not come, they not go to the see say children will do where they fight. And Balube not they like them. You understand? It's very, very bad. So maybe people should try stop it now. If you like woman, you want promise her, make sure you get the thing. If you don't get her, don't promise her. You don't lock up, forget. If the guy will agree for you, go agree for you normal like that. If you not seek me for you, go see boof. Oh, just promise woman, I love you. At the end of the day, you take oath. At the end of the day, you take you swear Bible. At the end of the day, you go swear heaven and earth. Ayela last and one of them go join. But waiting, why? You know warrants reach like that now. I mean, you're not supposed to reach like that. The issue, the matter not supposed to reach like that. They swear or they take blood. Oh, this will not be. So now 2021 now. Before that, they say they do that one. People they do one. Me, I not do one day. People wait do one. I say do that one before. It'll be now 2021 now. If you good, the relationship good, you go in. If you not good, you walk out. They don't say. I just kitchen and you come and not vex. I just say cook. You understand? If relationship good, it good. Thank God. If you don't feel good, you'll come on chicken now. And just say because you don't feel that for life. For waiting, you want to make it day okay. At the end, you're not going to day okay. You'll kill yourself. You'll come there, put. I will hear my bonam. You understand? It's in they vex me. I don't like her. I dey hear always today. I just see crow. The man they fight. Not say almost. They fight and I make come back based on say I carry children. Yeah, not fit come there where they fight with children now. For those back corner, they don't go like them. They'll say, why you there with children for here? You understand? Then they fight, I mean, don't go throw away something, say hit my children head or my children body. That time they'll say, you will be mama. You see fight, you sit down, you start, they settle. What do you want to say? You don't go far distance, they shout for them, say, don't do, they not hear me, you come out with your children. You understand? And so they're not green for here with this country, the children, go there where they fight, like, they go even give the mama's traffic. They'll give them B-make pay, say, if you don't take time, if you don't meet the good ones. And they get they crash, they shout, Muna help me. Thank God say people can see the all of them, want see the whole land, the whole day. You promise woman with you use Bible, they swear for woman. Or you go use I don't know the one they can't use. Say but they take oaths, they swear something. Whether na Bible, na blood oath. So why you go do all those things? At the end, the thing not gonna work. What you promise the woman, you not bring give her again. You not bring give her again. If the woman curse you now say women too bad, so they curse. If the woman can't go naked, curse you now. Not be juju, she not go Ayela, she not go any place. She don't go even spend one hour take give pastor or native daughter. Ordinary if you just naked, they swear in the night, they cry. That thing is very powerful. It's very, very powerful. If she naked, swear in the night, they cry. It's very powerful for woman. But as in for if woman swear that kind of swear to man, it's powerful. Not be everything and money. Everything will be money to go they throw away. Go they throw away money for pastor or for native doctor, God forbid. If you want your dash pastor money, your dash am. Me, I'm not talking about the native doctor. That one your joint at all. If you want dash pastor money, may stay they pray for. If you just dash if you like. But the biggest swear or the one with special pastor will be calmer. Where you not feel escape. Now be that one. When me they talk so. If you naked, you swear. You they cry in the night. You naked. The thing are sharp. They go sharp palino. You understand me? So it's not good. You people should stop it. This from it. It's very, very bad. I just they do all those kind of things where be say don't make sense. I don't understand. Very bad. They promise they promise woman what you know if you do. So they promise woman what you know if you do. At the end of the day, you the woman come they quarrel. You come they quarrel with her based on say you go they promise her heaven and earth. You go they swear whatever and everything with her. You go they swear oaths. They take blood oaths with her. Why? Why should you do that one? Most men are not make heaven. What are they do? After I don't swear those swear finish. Una not come after I don't swear this. Una not come fulfill una vow again. Una not come fulfill una vow again. Later now, if something happen to una, they will say women are bad people. See what women they do. Women don't correct. Why go they cause? Why go and me? Why go cause so person? It's not good. You understand? Eh? Yeah, I just tired. You think you're the best me? I make I just share this video right now. Cause I just enter house, they do something. They busy, but the way the thing they vex me, I say no. You quick drop and you get why. You understand? Yeah, so good afternoon. Good afternoon. I greet you. You understand? It's not good. The thing they vex me, I just they paro anyhow. Like make I for no talking. Like, yes, so thank you, my lady Jo. No, because that thing where you do, you vex me. As in, with the man consistent for bus stop, like see they fight time. See they fight time. The man say no want, the woman say nothing want again. Guy. At the end of the day now, you that is they don't want again. At the end of the day, the man they fight time. Why you they fight time? Now the man say me you go. Now the man say me you go. They swear. You take blood oaths. Now the man say as in now the woman say me you take blood oaths. Now he say me you use Bible take they swear. Now he say me you use Bible. No, leave it. I'm doing something here. Okay, sorry guys. Leave it, my son Jerry. You understand? I don't want noise on my video. I want to end my video now. You understand? Don't be the man say me you go say. Not be the woman say come you must swear Bible with me. You must take oaths with me. You must promise heaven and earth with me. They'll promise heaven and earth finish at the end of the day. They don't feel do what they promise. You know good. Some of you some men are not make heaven. No, not make heaven. I'll give you joy. I'll give you suya. I'll give you suya, my brother. Bro, welcome. I bet me share the video. May you see me invite people, but I'll soon end the live screen right now because I just they cook. I say make I quick drop this video. You understand? Because I just they paro. They think they invest in some men. They're not good. Why? Some of them are not going. Some of them not going to make heaven at all. Why not go they do like that? I don't understand. You use the Bible. They promise woman. They swear with woman. You use blood oath. They swear with woman because you love her or you like her. But once you just see Pekus finish, the thing you can't tire you or you say you don't want again. It's not good now. Not just going to this one at 2021. They say they do that one. Are you doing it? Are you doing it now? They say they do that one. To promise woman with blood oath or to promise woman with Bible, they swear Bible with her. What if force you may do that kind of thing? Who say may you do that kind of thing? You can't do and finish now. At the end of the day, you can't say you don't want again. Thank you for the love and like, Joe. God bless you. You understand? Yes, that's what they do. Many of them not good. If you don't like the woman, approach her directly, say you like her. If you go green for you go green. Even if now 3 months it take or 6 months or 1 year, you go think and one day go come like you by force if you like. If you don't see like you go see boof, you better not use Bible. They make covenant with her. No use blood oath. They make covenant with her. You know good. Gone are the days when they do all those ones. You know 2021. I read when they don't they do all those kind of things again. You know good. At the end of the day, when a small thing happen, also I don't want again. You know they fight with herself. At the end of the day, the woman say that one say even if God come down, you don't want again. He don't tire because say the man still beat him and all those kind of stuff. You don't want man with the big woman. Many talk. Me know your confidence stay based on say me Ogbalibe no go come. My children, I beg, I value them past one thing now because of the best they suffer. You understand? Now bagger. You know quick me collect her number, but I know her my area she dey. You understand? Definitely I will see him. You understand? They use blood though, they use Bible, they use this one. If tomorrow come, the woman comes for una say, what you do, what una do then? You not good. Una enemy come they sick or death come. May God forbid bad thing. They'll say, women bad. See, women don't need to, most women, 90% of women, they don't need to go pastor, go native doctor, go they give them money, say help me do this or juju. No. The simplest one, if you naked in the night, even if not for 7 days, they cry with nakedness, sweat that way, if they go straight. Not be say best is diabolic, God forbid. It's just nature, or it's just a normal thing. It's what it is. It's not because of say you are Christian or not a Christian. I'm a very good Christian. Anybody, even if na pastor himself na good Christian, you do something, you just naked swear for that person, he go that person straight direct. Even if you not go that day, 20 years is not forever. Now that's cost now you can hot pass for life. I don't understand. I bet men, you people should stop it, and some men, not all. I know it's not all. People should desist from that. Thank you, my lady. Thank you for the love and like. You understand? Yes. And they tell them because person on the fear because they do nyash, you understand? The truth is the truth. The truth they used to such thing. You don't say what they hear right from Nigeria. They used to that. This is they don't change. Europe again. Use Bible. Take oath with woman. Use blood oath. They take oath with woman. Tomorrow after 1 month or 3 months, you'll say you don't want again. You say that the woman you they do. If one way close, another one will still open. But then you will do that kind of thing. You say you'll make everyone. You say if the woman goes sweat for you, say you don't enter your body. It's not good. So stop it, My people, thank you for watching. Please share the video. God bless you. Like and share. Just share it to 1 or 2 people. Maybe they will have some points in what I've said. Because this thing is going viral too much secretly. But we have to stop it. It's not good. Let women love you normally, naturally. You love man naturally, not they use oaths, ayelala, whatever, Bible, blood oaths. No, you know they help again. If you backfire tomorrow, for example, na blood, na can't use Zuko. At the end of the day, not gonna see body, 1 or 2 things happen. They will come say one, they crazy, they go. All those kind of things. They'll say if you take blood oath with man, leave this one, the man will they crazy, or the woman will they crazy, they go. I don't understand. So we should just stop that. It's not nice. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. Thank you guys. So just like and share this video, Try to share the video and like it. You understand? Try to share the video and like the video also. God bless you. Yes, so thank you, my lady too. Thank you, Star Joy. Thanks for watching. Let me to share it and like it, okay? Just want to drop this. It's a short one. Maybe I'll be back again later or tomorrow. I really want to drop this one because I was hungry. I was not happy with what is going on, so I need to just drop this. So that is it, okay, my people? All right, people. Nice one. Thank you all. And share, like the video. Thank you all, okay? Yes, so Star Joy, I will call you. Nobody, you do well. Because I see your missed call. I know you're there. I see your missed call, no verse. Now you're enter. I see me a quick cook. Then I see me a quick do this video. Don't worry, I see your missed call, your message. I go call you. We'll call you now after this video now, okay? Thanks for the love, for the like, okay? All right. Bye-bye, my people. God bless you. See you again later. Bye. Share, and help me to share and like the video, okay? Share, make I can't use my stick meat. So before my baby will come put noise for inside now. It don't come now. My baby don't show. Holiday don't come. My baby don't show. So it's after I don't even finish. Before you spoil the video, I don't already finish. In short, you do well for the love and the like and respect. All right, bye. Please share the video and like the video, and thank you for following my page, Betty Sibo page. Continue following me and subscribe to my YouTube channel also, Lady B who is perfect. That is my YouTube channel. Okay, bye. Thanks.